Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create task template in Asana. So first step, you have actually two ways to create a task template. First way is to click on a task and create a template from existing task like this. Click on more and click on convert to and then task template. Now this task template is created. If you want to add absolutely new task template, so you can do it through customize right here and then add task templates. You can add a new task template right here, click on add, and here you can add a name of this template. So template number 1, add a assignee to this template. You can add a due date to this template. So you can say you add range if you want. You can add this template to some projects, add dependencies and all of it. So once you're done, click here on done, and now your template is added. You can also delete or edit this template right here. So thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.